My name is Nay.
My name is Air.
Today we will introduce the cream. It is a brand that many people know must use because it's cheap and very good everyone. This one will be a cream that can be purchased at 7-Eleven. Suitable for students because the price is very good. And this is the cream that I personally use and I feel that it really works, so we will recommend to friends to get to know, to try and buy. The first one that we will introduce is this one, JULA'S brand, MORINGA. For nourishing skin, and we will talk about property for everyone to know that what are the ingredient. The main ingredient is moringa. Absolutely safe to use, does not cause allergy or irritation, and help reduce dark spot, redness from acne, keep the skin moist, and also makes our cosmetic long-lasting, will not increase serum, and also prevent acne.
Who are interested in this skincare product? You can buy at 7-Eleven. Moringa great for only 39 baht. Anyone who is interested in this cream that makes your face white and clear, go ahead and try it. This video we think that will be useful for everyone. Today have to go. Bye bye.
Bye bye.